I was gifted this jewelry making kit from de-inducer. It arrived so quickly and came neatly packaged. The colorful beads are so bright and vibrant. The charms are beautiful. They all fit snugly inside 2 bead cases. Clasps for necklaces, bracelets, and earrings are included. It came with 2 reels of stretchy string and small foldable scissors. The diverse selection of clay beads allows for endless possibilities in designing unique and personalized jewelry pieces. The inclusion of charms adds an extra touch for your creations, making them not only stylish but also meaningful. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, the de-inducer bracelet making kit offers a fun and artistic way to express creativity and make custom jewelry pieces for yourself or to share with friends and family.